Did you know that you can transform your hair with common ingredients you can find in your kitchen? In few simple steps, I will show you how to make the most nourishing deep conditioner your hair will absolutely love. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. The first ingredient we are going to use is rice. Rice is so crucial because it contains folic acid, vitamin B3, selenium, which will help the health of your scalp and hair follicles. What I'm going to do right now is to grind the rice, but you don't have to do it. There are several ways you can go about this. You have the option of boiling the rice and then blending it afterwards. But hey, we are good if you can get your rice to a fluffy consistency. So I'm going to add water to the rice powder and stir till the lumps are dissolved. Then I will boil it a bit for possibly about 5 minutes to get it a bit thicker or into a kind of creamy consistency. So this is the result. You can choose to make it watery, but I was going for a creamy consistency with the conditioner, so I did that. And this is cornstarch. Cornstarch is also very crucial. It contains vitamins that make your hair shiny, softer, and silky. So I've added water just to make sure that all the lumps are dissolved. I'll also bring this to boil. Yeah, and this is the result. I cooked it for about 5 minutes. The next ingredient is banana. You need overripe banana. Banana contains silicon, vitamin B12 to promote hair growth. There are so many benefits to with banana, but this is the few I can mention. And this is avocado. Avocado is a great source of biotin, potassium, magnesium, which helps hair look shiny, smooth, and to prevent breakage. Again, there are so many benefits of avocado, but this is the few I can mention in this video. So I will put all the ingredients together and then blend them. So I've put the rice in there. This is the cornstarch, my avocados, and the banana. So I'm going to add rosemary essential oil to the ingredients. Rosemary essential oil is a hair stimulant. It prevents premature graying and dandruff. I will also add tea tree oil, which contains antifungal and antibacterial properties for healthy scalp and hair growth. We do know that healthy scalp promotes healthy hair growth. Look at this consistency. It is amazing. It's so rich. Driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive, nothing in sight, forever in flight, follow those lines, we'll make it this time. What I'm going to do now is to sieve it, and I'm going to use cheesecloth. In this instance, I folded it into 2 sheets to make sure that all the particles are filtered. But you can see I was struggling a bit with this. I was taking the shortcut, but it didn't work. So what I decided to do was to actually sieve it through a strainer or sieve to ensure that the bigger particles are removed from the mixture. And now I'm going to use the cheesecloth. This is a single sheet, so I didn't fold it. It's a single sheet. I'm also going to try and ensure that any particles left or that were passed through the sieve is, taken off from our mixture. And as you can see, it's kind of easy to do it this way because it comes right out quite quickly. If you've made it this far, guys, please do share, comment, subscribe, and like this video. It would mean the world to me. Thank you so much for doing this for me. Thank you. And as you can see, it did come out with some particles. Look at how rich this deep conditioner is, guys. It's amazing and it smells really nice, really, really nice. Again, I'm going to make sure that there is no particles because it's so difficult to get the particles out of your hair. So we'll make sure that we've taken everything out. And this time I folded the cheesecloth into two to run it through again to completely, take every of the particles out. And look at that. Look at that. It looks amazing. So I tried to test it out, see whether there is any particles because you can visibly see if there is or not. I think I went through it again and I was happy with the outcome. Oh my goodness, guys, look at this. I am so much in love with this conditioner. It looks so rich, it smells nice, and it did magic to my hair. Please don't skip this video, watch till the end for the results because you will be amazed. Look at that. I love it. I love it. I love this conditioner. I love this conditioner. The cornstarch, I think, made a difference because my hair was absolutely soft after using this conditioner. Look at that. Let me know if you tried this conditioner. Let me know how it goes. Let me know what happened to your hair, if you saw any difference. I did see difference to my hair, so I'm sure you would also see some difference as well. Look at that. So I went ahead to apply the deep conditioner to my hair, and guys, look at that. Look on both sides. My hair doesn't really have any curl pattern, but see what this conditioner did to my hair. It defined my curls. Can you imagine? It defined my curls. Oh my goodness, I am in love with this conditioner. If you made it this far, guys, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, share the video, like, comment, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.